everyone, welcome to the CHM channel. Today I'm going to talk about some other kits that I have available for purchasing. And in front of me you can see some pretty cool snake makes. Hope you like snakes. If you don't, the animal prints are actually in fashion this fall and winter. So it's pretty cool jewelry idea, I would say. So let's get a closer look. This one, the first one, is pretty popular right now on my website. I have a pattern available. I also have the kit for the bracelet and for the necklace available. So it's a natural brown beige color. The other kit that I have available for necklace and bracelet is this pink one. It's same pattern as the brown one, but in pink. Same as this green one. Also same pattern, but in green gold tones. And also I have this pattern available for this yellow pretty cool snake for bracelet and necklace. I also can do a custom necklace or bracelet of a custom lens. With patterns that I present here, but the colors can be anything you like. So the clasp that I'm using for this bead crochet jewelry are these ones. This is the gold one, so let me magnify so you'll see better. That is the gold one. I also have it in a silver tone, as you can see, and also in bronze tone. This is the bronze. So the clasp colors varies. 3 different colors I have to offer, and then I can color match the beads to suit the clasp. So these are available at my website. I'll drop down the link under the video, and there's more to come of animal prints for sure. I also have the leopard necklace, which I'll talk about in my next video. Thanks so much for joining me. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel.